How to pair the Tozo T6 wireless earbuds with a Google Pixel phone running Android 12. So before you start, be sure they have some battery life in them, and let's get started. So out of the charging case, usually at default, the earbuds will enter into pairing mode as you pull them out together at the same time. And to know if they are in pairing mode, just pay attention to the lights that you see on each earbud and wait for them to enter into the blue-red flashing lights alternatively, like this right here. That means they're in pairing mode and you can now check on your phone Bluetooth settings to connect them. However, if this doesn't work and you don't see them doing that, the first step you want to do is long press the touch controls and turn them off. So long press it and you'll know that they are off when you see them both light up in red light only. Like this here. Now that they are off, what you're going to do next is press down on the touch controls once again together at the same time, and you let it go as soon as you see the first blue light. Once you see the first blue light, release it and just pay attention to the lights once again and wait for them to both start flashing in the red and blue alternative lights. So you'll wait for that, give it a few seconds, and you'll see them do this right here. And once again, once you get them to do this, that means you have them in pairing mode and ready to connect to your Pixel phone. This here is the Pixel 6 Pro, and once again, if you have an Android 12 Pixel phone or even the Android 11, it should work as long as you have a functioning Bluetooth settings. You'll go to it, long press it, and you'll see where it says pair new device on your Pixel phone. Go ahead and select that so that it can turn it on and start searching for nearby devices. You'll see the Tozo T6 name right there. Single tap it, you'll see it says pairing. You'll get the pairing request right here. You can press pair and it'll run the connection for you. It will tell you its active battery life percentage. You can choose to tap on the gear icon settings right there to get some access to some other features that your phone may have. For example, like the HD audio, as well as switching over to just phone calls, media, and contact sharing in any of them. And of course, if all this did work for you, like, sub, and thanks for watching. And one more thing, to be sure that they are actually connected, they should not have any lights flashing at the time. And that's that. Thanks for watching.